Good afternoon, guys. Going back to the 66 Chevelle. Took a break due to a lot of shit was going on, but we're back at it again. We're back, and here we go. Let me give you a sneak peek. But before I give you the sneak peek, let me show you the guy that's behind the whole story. That's Pops. He's the one. He's over here handling. He said, let him finish it up. He got it.
Your brother from another mother.
Get me excited to make you do mine.
Huh?
Get me excited to get you to do mine.
Yeah.
Yo,
When I
So we shaved the edges.
yeah, I want to get these
The water
cabinets
drip.
out, except. No, I ordered that one.